Good morning, friends and family and whoever's watching. Today's going to be an interesting day. Today we're going to... I gotta tow a bunch of shit, so I want to tag you guys along with me. Hopefully it's interesting, and if not, then whatever. But first things first, you gotta do push-ups every day. If you do 20 push-ups a day, every day, eventually you'll start doing 30 push-ups a day every day, and 40 push-ups a day every day. So, make sure you get your push-ups in. Oh yeah, by the way, I got something new for the Dodge. I don't know if I've shown you guys yet, but they're a little dirty. Bam! Oh yeah, I got me some, oh I fucked that up. Got me some XD wheels on Falcon Wild Peak ATs. So, I'm kind of stoked on them. I got the same tires on my Tacoma that I do on my Dodge now, and I think they look pretty good. I mean, a lot of people probably have different opinions on them, but you guys know I like red, so. Oh yeah! So yesterday I had two Suburbans that I didn't make any videos of because they were kind of shit boxes, but I got home yesterday and I parked my trailer and it's dark and I have shitty lighting, but I kind of got a little too close to the burn barrel here. It'll buff out. It's good. Easy way to change the tire on a trailer, just back into your burn barrel. Oh yeah, also I put a winch on my trailer and it's not quite, I mean, I gotta get a battery for it. I mean, I still use it, but jumper cable and shit in here. But yeah, dude, I put it in this box that I got from my buddy Ryan. Yeah, I bent my ramp yesterday too. But yeah, dude, check that out. It works pretty good. Need to figure out a way to, probably gonna hook a solar panel up to it and run 2 batteries in there maybe. I don't know. Whatever, but we'll figure it out. Had a bunch of holes in it that I had to fill, but it's all right. Hell yeah, brother. Get a new jack for this thing. Kinda sucks. Get one in time. One thing at a time. Come on, you son of a bitch. Oh yeah, my pigtail. Lost my clip for the latch, but whatever. Ooh, yeah. There we go. I bent the shit out of my little canopy leg, but it's alright. Bent her back, she's good. Fucking perfect. Alright, now I gotta load this damn truck. And I don't have a battery for my winch, and I don't really want to run jumper cables from Dodge to, I mean, I guess I could, or I have a better idea. Alright, seeing how my winch is not 100%, I need to get this on my trailer with, look what the look at that. That's what one of the Suburbans did yesterday. I think I need better ramps. Yeah, it'll work. Anyway, I've got to get this blue Chevy loaded up. So, I'm going to use my Tacoma. I ain't got enough snare in my headphones. I'm in my yard. My yard's just a freaking mud pit, so looks like I gotta pull up the old winch her up the rest of the way. This is not the ideal way to load a vehicle onto a trailer, but when you're by yourself and it's a junk vehicle and you got a bumper on your Tacoma, I mean, hell, might as well, right? Or call a friend. I mean, I could have done that. Probably would have been a better option. Come on, baby. She's going. And there you have it. I mean, I wouldn't recommend doing that if you have a nice rig that you want to not put dents in, but you know, if you're by yourself and you got a bumper and you need to load a vehicle on a trailer, I mean, might as well. I had to use the winch, which I'm super stoked on, and I probably shouldn't show you how I used it, but that's what I did and it worked. At least the truck's loaded and now I can go drop it off. Ooh, that looks bad. I just got another car for free because my dad, guy at his church, has a Dodge and it's got a rod knock, so he gave it to me for free. That freaking beast. So I got rid of 3 in the last 2 days, and now I have another one which I need to get rid of. So if you want a Dodge, you can have it. There it is, dude. Now I gotta go take this Chevy and drop it off and come back and pick this one up and figure out what I'm gonna do with it. Get out of the way, turkeys. Gobble, 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 gobble. Good Thanksgiving. Hi! There's a whole bunch of turkeys. Look at those suckers. What's up, dude? That's kind of funny. Thanksgiving's in a couple days. You guys better watch out. All right. Diesel Dan, I'm bringing you your truck back. So my rips kind of bent, so I got my buddy Oakley here. We're just gonna push this sucker off there and straighten it out for Dan. You wanna roll it a little bit or just give her hell? Because there's a hump on the trailer. Hey, Duke it. There it goes. Oh.
Everything fell out of the back.
Everything fell out of the back. Oh, shit. Oh, we're such idiots. Hey, that's a good way to unload the leaves. Sorry, Dan. I promise I'll put it back. He only wants this thing for the axles, so that's the reason that I got it from him. So yeah. What are you doing? You sucker. Oh, let me fix the tailgate for him real quick. Look at that. Just as good as new. Perfect.
You're welcome.
Thanks, buddy. On to the next one. So I know that loading and unloading rigs, what I'm doing today, is not the proper way to do it. And some of you guys are probably like, wow, Josh, you don't care about other people's shit, blah, blah. That's not it at all. Dan is a good guy, and he wants that blue truck for just the axles, and that's what I got it for, like I said. I need to get set up to where, oh shit, I gotta throw the exhaust in the back of this truck. For towing things better. So I gotta build a better ramp system for my truck, and I'm gonna get that battery on my winch, and hopefully this process will go a lot smoother. I picked up a Honda Civic the other day, had to put a starter in it from one of my buddies, and I didn't use my Tacoma to push it on. I used my winch, and it worked perfect, and I didn't put any scratches or any dents in the car. So what I really need is a gooseneck tilt deck trailer like my buddy Ryan has. That's what I need, especially if I'm gonna continue to haul cars all over freaking Timbuktu and do what I'm doing. Just so you know, Dan, I'm sorry I put a dent in your tailgate, and I'm sorry that your tailgate fell off when we unloaded it. And there's those turkeys again. Oh, that Chevy's gonna run them over. Those suckers, dude. Where are you going? Gobble, 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 gobble. Ooh, turkey time. Anyway, so the car I just got for free. The guy gave it to me because he bought another car 2 months ago. And, so I gotta take it to the junkyard for him, and they're gonna give him $100 for it. So, oh, there's my neighbor. He's like, oh shit, he's got another car. I'm being nice, and I'm doing it for him. Well, I go to the church to pick it up, and he comes outside and he's like, hey, my car that I bought 2 months ago died at AutoZone because the check engine light was on, and I told him to take it down to AutoZone to get a OBD2 read test on it. So now I gotta unload this car that I just picked up for him, and I gotta go get another car. Kind of how my life goes every day, just one thing after another. So hell yeah, brother! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Before I end this video, I just want to give a shout out to Diesel Dan. Super good guy. His company is Dan's Auto and Performance. If you need anything worked on, diesel or gas, he's probably the guy to go to. Super laid back, easy guy to get along with, and he'll work with you. And if you have any questions, he doesn't have any problems answering them at all. Super knowledgeable, super fun guy. He loves doing burnouts, so make sure you go check out his shop. And I'll leave a link in the description below if that's something that you're interested in. So, but yeah, all right, back to the video. All right, I might not have to tow another rig. So, this Dodge Dart here, the battery's just dead, which is a brand new car. So whatever, shit happens. But we're gonna test the alternator right now. Ooh, that guy's bumper about fell off. I'm gonna test the alternator right now and see if it needs a new alternator too. So here at AutoZone. Charging good, dude?
That's good.
Alternator's good?
Yep.
Battery's good? That's all I needed was a battery?
Yep.
Hell yeah. That's so I don't got a tow. Yeah, buddy. Well, that makes me feel kind of good. Got the dude's car all dialed in for him. So, yeah, a brand new Dodge Dart, and the battery took a shit. So, but I'm just glad I didn't have to throw it on the trailer and tow it, which I wouldn't have a problem with it, but it's a brand new car, and you guys just saw how I was loading up cars earlier. So, yeah, I don't want to put a scratch in a brand new car for the guy. Super nice guy though. So, but until next time, if you like this video, like and subscribe, please. If you didn't like it, then oh, I'm sorry. But if you liked it, leave a comment below and tell me what you want me to do different, and maybe make suggestions on easier ways to tow things. Probably not with a bumper of my Tacoma, but it works. And I definitely need to get a new ramp system on my truck, so, or my trailer, my truck, idiot. Ooh, there's a cop. What's up, dude? He's on his phone. It's okay, because I'm on my camera talking to you guys. So, anyway, like and subscribe, leave a comment below, and share my video. Always remember to America, mother. I can't cuss anymore, because apparently YouTube doesn't like that, and my mom doesn't like it either. So, have a good night, have a good day, wherever you're watching this, and like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching my videos, and sharing, and caring, and America, mother!